Dagsi khatlai trip jembang arjar apundri ki pajba nong shong shnong kalapangap ya kabala senralang dagasang KSU kilelitur sha secretariat man pensngaw yang sha ka sarkar ya ka jingsha khanglenti ha ki pulut assam bat ki brio ka karbi ban let rap let riang sha ki lingkha jong ki ha ka te kathan ka jingilom pajba kalalong hajan umat kyang nang ba bat nang te kilatur ban let sha secretariat hande andala paya ka office jong superintendent ki pulut la khanglenti ki da ki pulut bar ha ka ne kaladan ka jingya persyang ban turskmat hendraina kaliang jong ki pulut Kim Shim la Island. Habaya de berkini na kaliang ke sarkar kalau khat banyak keran ha ka bala jet pawat ki dekat na ke KSU banyak kendo yaw sembut menterang ba ke jelau ba preston tensang ba ya kerai ka bami na kene ke cingelang la pensngau ha ki pai ba daw deputy commissioner ke West Jantia Hills. Ha kene ke jeng pensai la ong banado la syagas ngi anbo ya ki pulit SF10 hala pangap na lor ba ki pulit kala dan lupa bat ya kene an sekran ha ka sarkar bat la syai na kaliang deputy commissioner ba do superintendent ki pulit ke West Jantia Hill ken le chala pangap ban penting kena ba kerap karyang kan sesedang biang la ong ba ha ki sngi ban wan kan sedang biang ke peace committee ha ka wede bat ka jeng kran la ong ba ka sarkar temai ha asam kadang sudap tau baru kemilin tiba ka syong suk syong san kan wan biang ha ka te ke jaka na kaliang ki dekat ke KSU kil ong baka sarkar kal ai ke jengkular ban ai ka jingada bakin rap kum bajulang bat hakani ke jengkran bayaki plit anbu kham jan ke jakrap bat na kaliang SP ru penram ya kupulit baul ong bakin pentikna ban ai ke jingada ban yo ban rap ban riang bat ka sarkar ru kala ngap ya ke jengkarpat bat ka sarkar ru kala batha ya ke ke baki dei benle
nila yung ila dua chong sarkar ni kuai yung yung SP sir wa DC sir ne benta upresinya lagi ya kejing ya kelam yung itai buka sarkar cepi gipai ba biang lang kasaba suki kanauri ni bah usaha coba bi gigi ya kelam itu de buka sarkar.
Dear all, this is DC West Jantia Hills along with the SP West Jantia Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapanga came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me, myself, and the representative from various student organizations, as well as the headman of Lapanga. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SF10 would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress, and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently, and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, since the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
DC West Jantia Hills District. Niliang yung DC depan ciu to hadin ketuga kelas. Tapi lah siapa tu tapi to hadin bombiok tapi lipuk di rep kamu jole. Dewan di sini dia ile chong meeting go deputy chief minister lagi. Oman le local level US thar. Hata ke office yang jing em lang yang ki chief secretary yang SP DC kamu jole yo guru sarkar em. Dan niliang yang government Dek ke assurance wuta wa daw bu pulit dikdik SF10 kamong di situ. Ku polis ku strong na benta yada yapi ulai po lai rep pitch ta jela pengam. Tenaliang yung sarkar le dek ke kata ke assurance kejing penting kena tok na dom step daw double triple kejing bun yang di pulit ku yada yapi helai rep yang pi hita hala pengam. Kata po assurance niliang yung sarkar hui chong hita po office po sekretariat niliang di sisar rengkar USP DKI kata assurance wata wa nado mestep Chennai niliang yung pi gidong chong chnong la pengap daw yo pi kata kajingyada ko kerpang wat niliang yung NGO giwa represent gidong chong chnong yung pi ko emlang ni hitai meeting bisnya wata wa nado mestep kesni Nurut ni step le niliang SP nak kanau to nak deploy gi nak pen penpogi ya kita polis UM cita cepok la pengam tente dau pai ba kini man ngam ka jing pentip cepi man yo jai ni phak ni liang yang government ka kwa ku krek ni betayong pi UI kita asuransi pi kenang lu yo pi urep kamu jo urep man snem
Mistep ni.
mesti
Abi ke abi.
mesti saja dan liang government kita asuransi to ndo mesti hejo ipor le apa ba ketu ka kini ka kam yang di polis ku empok chnong bi liang government le daragi yu kendria ka le chnong bi cai tu cha lom ketengan dengan silang sui liang kesokan macam thor ni ba le UI gi pi kete ka jingeda ko kerpang ni beta bibit rismi liang government le liang government le dau implement gidau pengkerekam gi kete kan light curfew kita Ganyan government dah pengkerekam dia katakan night curfew. Jadi jika night curfew to ulat kini karbi ulat ben prai heli yang pi. Karbi ni penar pengap ni tak pat miok ulat di mix how the pi. Kata sin jam de chim yang government ni benta wow. Ke jing daya pi kinong chnong. Tene te dau ini liang yang ini kan jiu bai ba dah melang suruh pi la dah sokar imble kamte dau chim de wing lutik.
Boy kena curfew il pengap kamin snem.
Oh le dia dah kelam gini.
Pertanyaan mai petai gini. Boy kena curfew. Hey, I'm very clear. Loud and clear.
Very clear.
So very loud and clear. Last year the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangap.
Okay.
This year we will not accept. Am I right or wrong? Don't to bye bye.
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
Tomorrow itself.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here.
Yes, sir.
And government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
But if not done tomorrow, there.
Perfect. Bila sekarang yang kita wajibkan yung SP sar dan DC sar, ngin le kumi. Nada gitu gijing bawa gijong ni bagi gijing pensiun yang liang jong SP dan DC. Nada kim orang ngin sawal sesuai siang ni. Biar. Ngin page wah yang bagi kular ini. Wah, biar. Ngin page yang bagi kular ini lada gile. Tagabiang, narakim le ngi sama sesipau pcha, ngodang ni segi hajar ngodang ni na ko taman kibin ya ga igi jinda wa ga pi kinong rep. Biang. Ga pa di pi tangwei ba pin mi dam borom nang ni wat pun thot ya ga ya yang jong gi ya gi pa ba gi ba ya ning ti nang ni naga khabar sekretariat ba pin le segi yang gi sem jong pi ba pin nado le sai ski pin le rep kumba sai le rep. Khair batur mun jantia. Mulai ikut sarkar Bagi presiden ya berjumpa berjalan berjumpa sarkar. Bagi sarkar kan sedang dalam sepi. Hendak negara ini berkuat untuk semua ini sepi kita ba jom sedang lapangan. Hendak dawa sarkar ba kimpa yang SP berbisi jom residen selesai. Ban presiden sepi. Ya gaya bangi dawa bagi bangi kende ko. Mamalo na presiden ini. Yo leseking kelak kelesai sisgi. Pin kena ini, dem deh. Kalau bersedia magi, melihat ke sarkar. Di ledang ke sarkar kami lagi izin luar jengi. Kamu ni happen tunjuk baru biasa cisen ini sarkar. Ledang lek kalau dekat malah ini. Dem deh. Biam. To sabha long bajai. Min snap dia ke bau DC berspeak in pasnya ucapi. Bad nilong bajai kudun drone nakor. Masa baharu ban pelai gini kali hantam dibayang. Munde balong di bawah jentop di kali bayang di pad bahar kunci. Tangguai, saudara ban Malaysia, ban Singapura ban ni, mapit sengau yang sengau ya kaya gaji percaya kaya gaji dawar jong ini sarkar lembah gaji sengau sawa jong bisi badu SP.